Welcome to my channel. So welcome back, guys. We have another unboxing video for today, and we have our full box of Kubo Breathing In series. So for this unboxing, we have the full box set. So this is with 12 designs. Tapos yung secret is 1 out of 144. So let's hope na yung secret natin is included in this box. So, buksan natin. So, yan. Na-unbox na natin. And, ito yung full box. Let's check first yung box itself. So, ito siya. As mentioned earlier, Kubo Space, Kubo Breathing In, and ito yung mga figures. So, we'll be able to get all of them naman. If hindi, ibig sabihin, meron tayo nakuha ang secret. So, let's see. Before we open, I know yung parang cards nito is may smell. So, aamin din natin yun. So, yun yung unique dito sa figure na to. So, let's open the first box. Oops. Yeah. So, ito yung kanyang packaging. As always, maganda. Open natin. Ang ating first figure I see. Tcharan! Oh! Ang cute! Ito natin yung plastic. Yung tape pala. Ayan. Para siyang ano, yung feel niya is parang vinyl. Vinyl nga ba yung tawag dito? Basta yung parang tela. Ano, buong siya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng color combination. So, let's put him here. Let's check yung card. Ito siya. Ayan no, kaya naka-plastic pa yung card because there's smell. So, ang pangalan nito is Laurel Whispers. Baka naman amoy laurel to. Scent is a trigger to the past, sabi dito. Let's see. Ito yung pinaka-ano niya. Let me smell. Ayoko tanggalin sa plastic kasi baka maubos yung ano. Alam niyo yung Natasha tsaka Avon noon yun sa mga pabango. Ganun yata siya. Parang wala namang amoy. O hindi ko lang talaga maamoy. Amoy plastic. O dahil sinisipon lang ako. I'll try it again later. Pero ayan siya. So this is our first figure. Let's go to the next one. Or later try ko ipaamoy sa iba. Let's see if may maaamoy sila. Let's open the next box. Oh. Ay, akala ko may something. Pero ito lang pala. So, let's open this quickly. Yeah, oops. Oh, may plastic. May pa-plastic. So, 1, 2. Hindi ko mahawakan. Oh, ito yung nakaupo sa tree branch na may parang sakura tree. Ganda. So, let's see yung card niya. Saan yung card mo? Ito. Tcharan! Winter's Clarity. Ayan yung pangalan. Ganda ng colors, no? Ayan siya. So, let's try nga ulit. I'll try to smell this one. Let's see lang kung merong amoy talaga. Wala talaga ako maamoy. Hindi ko sure kung naubos na yung amoy or burado lang yung ilong ko. Pero anyways. So, ito yung first two figures natin. Let's move on. Third box. Let's go. Parang mas maliit to. Ang liit ng ano niya, oh, ng plastic compared dun sa other two. Let's open na. Charan! Ay, ang cute! Parang schoolboy. Ayan. Very nice. Nagre-rin plastic. Nagagandahan ako sa mga ganito, yung glossy yung hair. So, etong si Kubo, hindi siya yung same ng eyes na parang yung, hindi ko alam tawag dun eh. Pero yung kakaiba yung eyes, siya kasi painted lang. Pero ang ganda kasi, emotion. May emotion yung eyes niya. So, ayan. Ito yung third. Tingnan natin. Ano na yung, ano ba yung box na inopen ko? Ito yung kanyang card. Flipped. Yan, flip. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung may amoy this time. Ito siya, ha? Si flip. Bakit ganun? Wala akong maamoy. Parang, alam niyo yung amoy na amoy aceton? Ganun yung naaamoy ko. Ayan. Lagyan natin sila. Hilera natin sila dyan. So, let's go with our fourth box. So far, wala pa rin tayong secret. Yan. Maliit din to. Oh. Let's go. Oh, may plastic. Alright. So, you are... Taran! Ay, ang ganda naman ito. So, ayan. Ang ganda. Para siyang statue. Tapos yung feel nung ulo is parang stone. Ang ganda nung texture. Nakaubad pala siya. Nakaubad ba siya? Oo, nakaubad nga siya. Wala siyang damit. So, ayan. Ang ganda. This one's nice. So, I see the final rose. So, see the final rose. Tingnan natin kung may amoy. Kung this time may maaamoy na tayo. So, the final rose. Well, it's still the same. Amoy aceton. So, ayan. So far, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Ang ganda. Napakaganda. So, gilid muna natin kayo dyan. Okay. Yeah. Let's move on into our next box. Fifth box. So, yung fifth box. So, there. Ito, medyo malaki yung plastic. Ayan. Let's open na. 1, 2. Ayan. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ang ganda nung nito, series na to. Kasi, iba-iba yung niya. Tingnan mo. Texture, colors, style. Ang ganda. So, siya ay parang water. Nakahiga sa water. And may hawak siyang paper boat. Ganda. Saan ang kanyang card? Ito. Ito yung card niya. Siya ay Sea of Oblivion. Sea of Oblivion. So, ganda. Ang ganda. Iba-iba yung color. Ang ganda ng mga colors talaga ng cards. Look. Oh, diba? It varies. So, ang ganda-ganda. So, let's see kung amoy aceton pa rin ang breathing in. Ganun talaga. Hindi ko alam kung amoy aceton ba or amoy wine something. So, let's go to the next box. So, let's go. So, maliit din ito ulit siya. Let's see. kung sino ang ating next figure. Ah, this is nice din. Artsy. So, para siyang statue na sisira na. Just like this. Ito yung magandang version pa. Very pretty. So, let's see. Who are you? Ikaw, I see. Sands of Time. Very nice. Okay, let's see. Attempt lang tayo ng attempt. Tignan natin baka may maaamoy talaga tayo. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. So, let's just continue unboxing. Let's open. Okay. Let's see. Medyo malaki yung box. 1, 2, 3. Oh. May plastic din siya. Who are you? Ah, ito yung nasa may box. Ito siya. Siya yung promo figure. Ganda ng color. Siya I see. Tingnan natin. Ikaw I see. Tonight or never. Ganda? Tonight or never. So, let's see kung may amoy. Again, same. Wala. Parang walang mga accessories tong series na to. Talagang kung alin lang yung nandun sa box. Let's go to the next box. Wala pa rin secret until now. That's fine. But so far, ang gaganda. Ang gaganda talaga nila. Talagang may variation. Ang ganda. Iba-iba. So, this is like malaki. This is the 8 box. Malaki din siya. If you would see, ang gaganda nila. Yeah. Let's put them here na since maluwag na yung ating box. Before we open the 8 box. Yan. So, siya. You go here. And you go here. Yan, para makita pa rin sila sa frame. So, there we go. Let's open the next one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, lang cute naman ito. Natutulog siya. And para siyang cotton. Who are you? Let's see. You are Soft Embrace. Nice. Ang cute. Very cute. Put it here. And let's smell. And it's the same. Walang amoy. Let's continue to unbox. So, 9th box. Let's open. Okay. Oh. Nasira. Anyways, let's open this na. Parang maliit na naman yung pack. Ayan, maliit nga. Let's open. And you are... Taran! Oh, ito yung Oni. Like the devil one. Let's see. Ikaw, I see. Nightmare. Ganda, citro. Very nice. So, let's see. Wala talaga, walang amoy. Parang mas nahihilo ko sa amoy. Ano ba? Walang amoy. Parang mali yung ano ko. May amoy, pero amoy lahat sila. Amoy acetone. So, let's go to the next box. So, ito na siya. 1, 2, 3. Ay, twinist pa talaga nung nag-pack. Ayan na. 1, 2, 3. Ay, ang ganda! This is one of my favorite din. Ang ganda. Tapos, ang see-through and glowing yung head niya, yung hair. This is very pretty. Parang tea time. Nagre-relax siya. Endless summer. Let's place him here. Ang ganda! So, I'll open him na. Ito na. Let's see kung... ano talaga? Okay. Second to the last box. Wala pa rin secret. Let's open the second to the last one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice! Sino to? Ang ganda. Para siyang same version na natutulog. Diba? Parang pwede silang magkatabi. Ang ganda ng colors nila. So, who are you? You are Eternal Ember. Very nice. Okay, again, smell. Let's smell. Eternal Amber. Wala pa din. So, parang silang twins. Ganda. And we're down to the last one. So, let's see kung secret ba to or hindi. That's fine if it's not. So far, ang gaganda nila. And you can see the variation of each piece. So, not very beautiful. So, let's open the last one. Open. There we go. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so it's not the secret one, but this is our last figure. So who are you? Let's see. You are charan, Misty. Pokemon. Charot. And so Misty is ang ganda. Parang siyang see-through. Hindi see-through. Parang glossy na. I don't know how to describe it. Tapos ang ganda ng finish. Ang kinis. Ang ganda. So that's it. That's our Kubo breathing in figures. So nakompleto natin silang lahat. Last try kay Misty. If it would smell something. No, wala talaga. So let's give up dun sa pagsasmell since wala. So if I will have like a favorite dito, I would select this, and this. Since parang twins sila. So ayan, napakaganda, no? So that's it. I will be showing them one by one dun sa pang-rotate natin. So you can see them clearly. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me with another unboxing video. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye! See you. Bye-bye!